Good evening, folks, and welcome to So You Think You Know Your Derivative. I'm your host, Jake Ampon. Tonight we will have 4 contestants, and we will see if they know their derivatives. Before we introduce our contestants, here's a word from our sponsors, the Derivative Watering Hose.
Hey you! Yes you! Do you feel like the rate at which you could water your plants could be faster? Introducing the Derivative Watering Hose! For a small price of $19.99, you could increase the rate at which you water your plants! You no longer need to make trips back to the faucet in order to refill your cup. All you need to do is attach the hose to the faucet, turn on the water, and boom! The water goes directly to the plants. But wait, there's more. If you call now, we'll add in the Derivative Watering Hose attachment. With the Derivative Watering Hose attachment, you can change how the water flows out of the hose, or you can change the rate at which the water flows out of the hose. But don't take it from me, take it from the thousands of our trusted customers. Call now and get the Derivative Watering Hose and the Derivative Watering Hose attachment today, so that you can increase the rate at which you water your plants. Now, back to the game show.
Now we will introduce our contestants. Because of the pandemic, we had to stay socially distanced and they couldn't come to the studio. Please bear with us. Our first contestant is John Ampong. Our second contestant is Jeff. Our third contestant is Addison Ray. And our fourth contestant is David 2. Here's how the game will work. There will be 2 rounds. In each round, 2 contestants will be given a question, and whoever gets the question right will move on to the next round. The person who makes it past both rounds wins their very own Derivative Watering Hose and Derivative Watering Hose attachment. So for the first match of the first round, our 2 contestants will be Addison Ray and Jeff. The first question is, if f of x equals sine 2x, what does f prime of x equal to? Please reveal your answers. Jeff?
I got f prime of x equals 2 times the cosine of x.
Oh, I'm sorry, Jeff, that is incorrect. Addison?
I got 2 times the cosine of 2x.
Addison, that's correct. We move on to the second round. Alright, for our second match for the first round, it will be John Ampong versus David 2. Your question is, what is the derivative of e to the power x? Please reveal your answers. John?
X times e to the power of x minus 1.
I'm sorry, John, that is incorrect. Better luck next time. David?
I got e to the power x.
David, that's correct. Good luck on the second round. Alright, folks, for the second match, it is David versus Addison. Good luck, you two. Your question is, if f of x is a over b, what is the first derivative of f of x?
I got a prime times b minus b prime times or over b squared.
Alright, David?
A prime times b minus b prime times a all over b squared.
Well, folks, it appears we have a tie. So to break the tie, we will have a second question. Your question is, if you increase the time you pray, what will happen?
If you pray more, you will go to heaven.
Sorry, that is incorrect. David, what's your answer?
If you increase the time you pray, you will decrease the stress in your life. More prayer, more peace.
David? You are correct. Congratulations. You win your very own Derivative Watering Hose and Derivative Watering Hose attachment. Alright folks, that's it for the game show. Thank you for coming, and I hope you stay safe.